Welcome to another video. We are in the Civic EP3 tyre par from the previous video, and today next to me we've got an Audi Q3 Vossenberg that wants to drag race the Honda Civic tyre par. It's a close friend of mine called Haroon, and so he wanted to see if this will I think most likely a lot of people would say it would beat it. Now the spec on this Audi Q3 is a 2 litre 4-cylinder engine with a Tfsi turbo producing 230 brake horsepower. It weighs 1,850 kgs, but a whopping 0 to 60 in 6.3 seconds. That's right, they class that Audi as a SUV. But the main thing is we're up against the tyre par. The tyre par is 200 brake horsepower, 4-cylinder NA. It has got a straight pipe, but it's stock apart from that, and that does 0 to 60 in 6.6 seconds. But it only weighs 1,250 kilograms. So with the Audi Q3 being four-wheel drive with the DSG box, like, it won't make any mistakes. It will just go off the line. It will just grip all four wheels, squat and just go. So that's what we're thinking, that's gonna most likely beat the tyre par. But because it weighs 1,850 kg and the tyre par weighs like 1,200 kgs, there's like a 600 kg weight difference. So we're hoping with the weight, with the VTEC red line, we could, who knows. But anyway, let's not waste any more time. Let's get straight to it. Let's do a sound check. The stock version. Let's do the VTEC. Yeah! And that's Ricer for you. So now let's see which car is faster. 1, 2, 3, go! That thing's a rocket, man. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, alright. Okay. I was in VTEC. Yeah. Let's do that again, yeah? Hold on. Third gear, yeah? Right. 1, 2, 3, go! Come on! What the hell? Oh, okay, that's it. Man, that tyre par, like, don't know, man. The VTEC, it's got some strength. This time we'll do a launch, okay? 1, 2, 3. Come on, Civic! Let's go, Civic! Whoa! Come on, man! Oh, that's it. You went off then, you did. Okay, what? 1, 2, 3, go! Come on, tyre par. Let's go! Come on, tyre par. Okay, that's it. You say go. Come on, tyre par. I think I was catching you up there, Okay, let's do one more roll, then one more launch. So 1, 2, 3, go. Come on, tyre par. Come on, tyre par. Okay, oh, that's it. Come on, tyre par. Your car holds the power, it's there, it's efficient, it's not gonna make a mistake. Come on. It's just, they're going, oh, that's it. Where's it going? Okay. Yeah, your quattro, your four-wheel drive launch. Alright, okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Typer. Alright, that's it. Alright, let me save my brake pads. Man, that was good. You won that, like fair and square. On a launch, you will always win. Simple. If I get it right with the VTEC, it's neck and neck. But like, that was pretty interesting. I quite enjoyed that. With yours, there's no lag, man. Like, there's just no mistake that can be done. The car is quick, I'll give you that. Well, thank you very much for watching. Also, thank Haroon's Audi Q3. I guess he took the win this time round. But just comes to show, like, you know, a Type R, a Civic can still do some damage on a modern car, shall I say, that's producing quite a lot of power. So yeah, it's quite interesting to see. And if you really like that, if you got any comments down below, drop a comment down below on what you guys think of the outcome. Stay tuned, because there will be a lot more videos to come. Like I said, we are ordering a turbo kit for the Civic. There was also a few other project cars to come, but we will get there very soon. So peace out, hope you enjoyed the video. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Peace.